Hello everyone, welcome to our product show. This is Jack. We're glad to introduce this great architecture light, TI-27. What will TI-27 will bring to you? At first, design. As you can see, TI-27 adopts a pretty wide, round appearance with adjusted design. It has four lengths, 0.6 meter, 0.9 meter, 1.2 meter, and 1.5 meter. Also, it has three colors, black, white, and gray. With this adjusted design, it makes the hotels, corridors, schools, libraries, museums, shops fulfill the atmosphere of art and humanity. Secondly, performance. TI-27 has large beam angle of 217 degrees. It is RG0, no flink. It can help protect our eyes. Also, it has 4 CCT can be choice, 3000K, 4000K, 5000K, and 3500K. The soft and uniform light will bring us very comfortable experience. Thirdly, installation. TI-27 supports 3 different installation methods: suspension, ceiling mount, and wall mount. This unique design makes it easy and fast to install, especially this external wiring box will let your installation be more convenient. Finally, function. TI-27 supports 3 wiring or 5 wiring terminals, so it can support daily and 0 to 10 dB. Besides, it can also support power and CCT switchboard, which will greatly reduce your SKU. That is to see, you just need to buy one model from us, then you can meet all your power or CCT requirements. I'm sure it will improve your stock. Okay, now, how do you think about this product? If you have any further inquiries, please contact me. See you next time. Bye-bye.